This is the Peak Design car mount, and there's simply no better way to mount your phone in your car, truck, or van. I'm Wheeler Gans. I'm a design engineer here at Peak Design. In addition to owning an absurd number of cars over my lifetime, I helped develop the Peak Design car mount. Let me tell you why this thing is so great. First off, it's crazy easy to use. It grabs your phone instantly with fantastic holding force. The car mount works with either the Peak Design Everyday Case, the Peak Design Universal Adapter, or any MagSafe compatible phone or case. Our magnet array is specially tuned for the perfect balance of strength and user experience. We actually give it more holding force than MagSafe. Bottom line, your phone will not fall off this mount. Second, it's beautiful and built to last. The head is made out of machined and anodized aluminum. The car mount has a sleek and low-profile design that looks at home on any dashboard. Third, we've got a charging and non-charging version, so if you want wireless charging, that's an option. And if you'd like a wire connection, that's also an option. The charging version comes with a power adapter, a USB-C cable, and cable clips to keep the cable tidy. And fourth, the car mount is part of Peak Design's mobile ecosystem. Seamlessly move between your car, your desk, your content creation, and with our everyday case, your bike, motorcycle, and loads more. You know what else is cool? The car mount is guaranteed for life and 100% carbon neutral. All right, so here's a mount and here's a car. Let's see what happens next. Before proceeding with installing your mount, make sure the temperature in your car is between 60 and 80 degrees Fahrenheit, or more simply, that it's not really cold. This will ensure good adhesion to the dashboard. Use the included alcohol wipe to clean the surface before applying the mount. You'll notice that we added some small relief cuts to the base plate profile. This allows the base plate to conform to the contours of your dash. Wait at least 5 minutes for the dash to dry, or roughly the amount of time it takes to do 300 e-brake pulls. 1, 2, 299, 300. All right, now we're ready to install the mount. Remove the film from the mount and press the mount firmly into the dash for 30 seconds. Really apply some good pressure here, making sure to apply pressure directly to the base plate and not the mount itself. Start by installing your 12-volt adapter into the 12-volt power port on your car. Next, install the USB-C cable between your charger and the 12-volt adapter. Before installing the cable clips, figure out how you want this cable to run along your dash. Yeah, that's clean, right? Peel the adhesive liner and then apply the cable clip to the desired location. Apply pressure for 30 seconds to ensure a good bond. Once installed, you can clip the cable into place with a simple push. And one last critical step, you must wait 24 hours before using the mount to allow the adhesive to reach full strength. Really, we mean it, 24 hours. Need to uninstall the car mount? First, warm the VHB up with a heat gun or hair dryer on a low setting. Alternatively, you can wait for the car to heat up in the sun or turn the heater on. Then, use a bit of dental floss to peel away the adhesive from the dash. Once the mount is removed, use a gentle cleaner to get the excess adhesive off the dash surface. And that's it, folks. If you have any questions, feel free to reach out to our customer service department. And remember, if you're sleepy, just pull over.